What is that? Oh, it's a C3. Oh. Well, welcome back to another video. In this video, it looks like we're getting caught in the rain. I was told by the weather app it was not supposed to rain until 10:30 at night, so it's currently 4:17, so the rain's a bit ahead of schedule. Brother! It's like the lightest drizzle right now. We can just hold off. Hold off for the next hour. That's all I ask. Wait. That road looks fun. We do a little U-ey. Go down that road. Very, very illegal U-ey. Wait. One more try. I am a professional. Don't worry. And I've never been down this road before. Oh, this is fun road. Go too fast, because I don't know these roads, but I can go fast enough. Loud environment, hitting decibels of 100. Even a few minutes at this rate, I can cause a very serious hearing loss. Oh no. These roads are beautiful. Only I didn't have cars in front of me. No, I'm kidding. There's too many houses and neighborhoods to be going anything fast here, you know? I can put myself in danger, but I can't put other people in danger, you know? Huh? You know, it's very weird. I think we're in Jackson right now, but Jackson is right next to Lakewood, and it's mostly Hasidic Jews, which, like, for the most part, since I'm a Gentile, you know, they completely ignore me. They don't really like us that much. But when I'm on a motorcycle, all the men and all the kids always stop to look and watch. They're like in love with motorcycles. It's the funniest thing. So I always love popping wheelies or giving a nice rev for them. It's fun. Wait. I know where we are. I'm gonna go right. We're good, there's no po-po. Man, I'm just indoctrinating all the kids to get motorcycles today. Yeah, there's just something about an engine that's pushing 100 horsepower strapped between two wheels that there's just nothing like it. Nothing more freeing. Other than, of course, the freedom that comes through Jesus Christ's death and sacrifice on the cross. That's true freedom. But second after that, then you have motorcycles. Oh, look at this thing. Look at this thing. Oh my goodness, that's awesome. Oh, did you just see that wobble? What was that? Look at the wobble. Harleys, man, am I right? Think I can ride right into the middle of there and not get in trouble? Yeah. Who's gonna stop me? Who's gonna stop me? Maybe the really, really slippery sand might stop me. That's a possibility. But I don't see no trespassing signs. Oh man. Look at this bump though. Oh, these are big rocks. I didn't expect that. Alright. That was not too fun. I will admit, that was not too fun. We're good. We are perfect. Oh. Huh. This might be the perfect spot for the passage of the day. So today I got for you guys Colossians 2, and I'm going to read 6 through 9. It says, "Therefore, as you received Christ Jesus the Lord, so walk in him, rooted and built up in him and established in the faith, just as you were taught, abounding in thanksgiving. See to it that no one takes you captive by philosophy and empty deceit, according to human tradition, according to the elemental spirits of the world, and not according to Christ. For in him the whole fullness of deity dwells bodily." Everything's found through Christ, guys, not through the philosophies and the things of the world. Seek Christ first, and everything else makes sense. That's what I got for you guys. Passage of the day. Oh, I think it was an MT-09. Time to get back on the road. The real question is, do we keep going that way, or do we go home? Or do I go see if I can ride up that hill? Nah. That's a little too crazy. I don't think I'll make that. I could go check it out, though. Oh, look at that. Dirt bike tracks. I ain't the only motorcycle that's been back here. If I was on a dirt bike, I would do that in a heartbeat. But since I'm not, I would like to stay on two wheels. So, I think it's time to do a little backtracking. I am riding this bike like motocross again. Oh. Alright. We're good. We're good. Look at that. Look at that. Alright. Because I don't know if this is illegal or not, I'm gonna go left away from the cop. And it's raining. Yeah. I've been reading through Colossians lately. I started out reading in, well, not started out, but I just finished reading through Ephesians like a week ago probably now. And I don't remember where I saw it, but I saw something that was saying how Ephesians, if I'm getting this right, Ephesians are how we are supposed to act, the church, to God, and Colossians is how God acts and who he is to the church. So I was kind of like, oh, what a good study to follow it up with, you know? That is why I'm going through Colossians now. I'm very much liking it. Bruh. Keep your hands on the handlebars, guys. That was scary. Of course, immediately take my hands back off the handlebars. Alright, my GoPro died, but I wanted to make an outro. Just wanted to say thanks for watching the video, and you can like and subscribe, hit that bell, and you know, somewhere here, watch any of my other videos. Peace. God bless you guys.